Hi, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at the 2018 Harris Pontoon. It's a 240 Sunliner brand. As you can see, it's gray on the outside with a strip of blue in it. It's an absolutely gorgeous look. This one is your typical pontoon with two tunes. If you come inside here, this model is what we call the center walkthrough layout, so it looks a lot bigger than it is. It's a complete center walkthrough, leaves a nice area for people to jump in and out of the boat. It has the nice desert camo interior. The loungers each have an armrest, fold down armrest for comfortability. This one has a lot of nice features with the cup holders are inside. Nice, easy to grab, as well as if they spill, it spills off to the side, not necessarily on the seat. There are holes inside each cup holder with a hose that runs from that cup holder down to the bilge, just in case something does spill inside of it. So it's a gorgeous two big long loungers up front. You got two speakers in the front underneath the seats. Here at the helm, we have a Fusion radio. Again, two speakers up front and two in back. The Fusion system can be, you can connect your phone to the Fusion system, so it's all Bluetooth capable. Has your typical depth finder. Underneath the side pocket here, there's a pull-out dressing room that folds up. That way it's nice and convenient for somebody to change on the boat without feeling uncomfortable. There's also storage underneath it as well. You got the nice big captain chairs in this model. So nice, comfortable, full support on your back. And then same thing with the front. You have the same two loungers as you do in the front. Nice armrests, desert camo, gorgeous in color. Extra cup holders up top. It does come with a table, which you can have installed in the front or the back, whichever one you want. And then the Bimini is upgraded to a 12-foot Bimini instead of a 10-foot, so it covers a larger span area. So again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Come out, ask for me, and I'll show you the boat.